I am Sheba yahi. I forget. Anyway, I repeat this again because this is very good example. Please go through this. Take the picture.
Yes, doctor, we take it.
Yes, yes.
So now we have this question 8.010 molar solution of H2SO4. Its molar mass is 98.0. How much? 98.0. 98.0768 gram per mole. Alright, this molar solution is giving, density is giving for this 1.3 1.3 density, where is the density? 1.354 1.354 gram per milliliter. Alright. Okay, so the molar concentration is giving now, density is giving. What is the molar concentration? So this is the molal. This is molal. Remember, please, you can write the difference. This is molal is giving, and determine molar. Molar means molarity. Clear? The
Yes.
difference is clear to you or not? Molar and molar.
Yes, clear, doctor.
So now molal I will take 8.010 molal. It means that moles per kilogram of solvent. Molarity is what? Molarity is what? Moles per liter of solution. Solvent and solution. Oof. Where is gone? Shit. 8.010 molar 8.010 molar solution. It means that we can call molar density is equal to 1.354. Molar mass, this is H2SO4, so H2SO4 is a solute. Its molar mass is 98.0768, and we have to determine the molarity, that is capital M. So from molar to molarity you have to determine. Molarity means the moles per liter of solution. Molality means moles per kilogram of solvent. So here the solution we don't have. We have only solute. And we have the solvent, that is kilogram, right? Because the molality is kilogram of the solvent. Kilogram means 1000 gram of the solvent. So we know that. So first we have to find out the mass. So how we calculate the mass? So you will take the moles, 8.010 moles of H2SO4. You multiply by what? Then you will get mass. How much? In gram, right? So you multiply by molar mass, right? Molar mass of H2SO4. So that is 98.0768. Then you will get 785.6 gram. 785.6 gram of the solute, right? This is solute, we got it. And we know that how much solvent? How much solvent we have? 1000 gram of solvent, correct?
Correct.
So how we get the solution?
We add
Add them
salt.
together.
When you get the solution, this solute plus solvent, right?
Yes, yes.
So solution you will get it. Solute 1000 plus 785.6 solute, then you will get 1785.6 gram of solution. And now this is the from gram to volume, how you change, because we want liter, we don't want gram. So that you know that density is equal to mass per unit volume. If you know the mass, you can calculate the volume, and density is already given here. So we can write here 1.354 density equal to mass, we get it this one here, 1785.6 divided by volume. So volume you calculate. So this is now 1785.6 divided by 1.354, you will get 1318.7 milliliter, right? This volume is milliliter because density is milliliter, gram per milliliter. But here we want liter. So what we do? This is, we have milliliter. So what we do for to get the liter?
Divide
by
1000.
Right. So now 1318.7 divided by 1000, you will get 1.3187 liter. This is the volume of liter, you get it. And moles is the same. These are the moles. Moles you calculated, right? So 8.010 mole divided by 1.187 liter of the solution, you will get molarity. So the molarity you get it 6.07, 6.0739 capital M molarity. Is it clear now? Please ask any question now in this, because this is an important, very, very important. Nobody is asking any question now. These all steps are clear.
Clear, teacher, yes.
Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear, doctor.
Right? This is molality changed to molarity. So please be careful. You know, these all steps very. So anybody could tell me step one by one? Anybody? The first step is this, second step is this, third step is this. All students, I want one by one question, another question, third question, fourth question, like this. So whatever you understand, you just tell me, sir, first I will do this, second I will do this, third I will do like this, then fourth, then five. First of all, you should understand what is the question, right? What is giving and what is going to be asked. So first you write what is giving. Tell me now.
We have the molality and the density.
Very good. So this molality, you know that this is per kilogram of the solvent. It means solvent we already know, right?
Yes.
1 kilogram solvent, it means that 1000 gram solvent. That is solvent. And solvent you take from here, and solute you will take from this molality. If you have solute and solvent, you add both, you will get solution. Then solution per liter of the solution, right? So for that, mass gram change to liter, use the density formula. And you will get milliliter, then milliliter change to liter. To put all these parameter into molarity formula. So first point is how much moles you have. So moles we have for 8.01810 mole, and you have to change into gram because this is solute. So I want mass of the solute first. So what you do, if you have this mole and mass of the solute you want to determine, what you do?
Multiply the moles with the molar mass.
Molar mass of the solute, right? Solute is H2SO4. So you will get the mole of the solute, you get it. Mole of the solute you have, and mole of the and the volume of the solvent you have. So solute plus solvent you added, you will get a solution. So that solution you get it around 1785.6 gram solution you get it. And if you know this gram solution, but we don't need gram, we need the liter, we need the volume. Then we use density. Density is giving 1.354. You write the formula of density, write D first. 1.354 is equal to mass is 1785.6 divided by volume. Then volume you calculate. That volume you calculate in milliliter because density is always gram per milliliter. And that milliliter change to liter, then you will get volume in liter. Then put that volume into the molar equation, molarity or molar equation, moles per liter of the solution. Clear now?
Yes.
Clear.
All right, I'm going to the next question. You have to do yourself. Let me write the question first. Okay, now just use your concept, whatever you learn from this equation. All right, a sulfuric acid solution, H2SO4 solution contain 571.4 gram of H2SO4 solution per liter solution. It means that in 1 liter of the solution, this much of gram is present. This is solute. H2SO4 is a solute, and liter of the solution is 1 liter. In 1 liter of the water, this 571.4 gram of the solute H2SO4 present in this solution. This is solution. It means the molarity is giving. Okay, and the density is equal to 1.329 gram per milliliter. Okay, and now calculate molality. This is opposite, kept small m. So what you do first, you just write here molarity is the moles per liter of the solution, right? So you have this much of gram is present in H2SO4 per liter of the solution. Solution, you know that it is 1000 milliliter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. And the density, you know that is gram per centimeter cube. Gram per centimeter cube. So 1 per milliliter, and you will just change into 1000 milliliter, right? So density will change to 1000 milliliter multiplied by 1000, right? Because this is per milliliter, but we have to write per liter. In 1 liter, how much mass we have? So now 1329 gram per liter. This is the density now. Once we have this density, this much of gram, it should be this present in 1 liter. This solution of H2SO4, right? So this subtract 571, because this is the solution. This is the total solution, right? Total solution, density means total solution. How much? This much of gram in 1 liter of the solution. And for H2SO4, how much is solute? This is solute. So you just subtract 1329 gram minus 571.4 gram of the solute. Then you will get 757.6 gram of the solvent, right? Solvent is left. This is solution. This is solute. And this is solvent, you get it. Is it clear point?
Yes.
Hello guys.
Yes, clear.
First, for molality, we have to look for solvent. Solution is already given, and solution based on density. Remember that. Total solution means density. And from this mass of this solution, subtract 571.4, you will get solvent. And now this we should know, we should have kilogram, because the formula of molality is kilogram. So we will write here molality is moles per kilogram of solvent, right? So moles per kilogram of the solvent, we don't have the moles. What we do?
We have them
Which we divided by what?
divided by the molar mass for the solute, H2SO4.
So how much solute we should write? How much?
We have 757.6 gram.
No, my friend, this is solvent. Please look carefully.
Okay,
It's not solute.
571.4.
571.4 solute divided by
The molar
98.0768. 0768. This is molar mass. Then we will get 5.826 moles. And now we have the mole, and now we have this gram. So gram changed to kilogram. 757.6 gram divided by 1000 changed to this is changed to kilogram. So kilogram, what you do?
Divided by 1000 to make it.
So 1, 2, 3, right? So you will get 0.7576 kilogram, right? This is kilogram you have. This is the mole you have. And now you will write the molality formula. Molality equal to 5.826 mole divided by 0.7576 kilogram of the solvent. Then you will get 7.690 molality. So now both questions, please just check it now. And the solution of this both question I will put on the slide, again I will put on the blackboard, but this already here in the recording, but I will put on the blackboard. Just 1 minute. I think the time is already done. Molality, where is the molality? Okay. So I will put here calculation. Okay, now I put this one question here with solution. Second, okay, now are you able to see this presentation?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now so I put these both question solution here, right? Did you see this molality and molarity calculation?
Yes.
Okay, so just you will practice these two questions. I think this is more than enough to calculate. Change to molarity and molality to molarity. Okay, I will put this on the blackboard. Any question do you have, you guys, related to anything? Because this is the, inshallah, next week I will finish chapter 18.
No, teacher, no question.
Doctor,
Uh-huh.
I have a question about the last quiz.
Okay, what is that?
There is a question, I think question number 2, I think. It's maybe there is something wrong or
But
something
I
like that.
told you that you got the correct answer, right? You get the 0 or you get marks there?
No, not there. Because the question he said, 1 minute, just I open the question.
I understand that. I will just look at that one. If you have problem in the grade, then you talk to me. If you don't have problem in the grade, you already have the marks, forget about that. If any student wants me, then I will talk to him regarding that
But-
question. Sometimes it happens, you know, that I'm a human being and you are also a human being. Anything wrong?
Yes.
If you feel that it is wrong and you don't have the marks, then I will provide you. Once you already get the marks, why you are worried?
Because this question it's have maybe 1 mark, I think.
Why you say 1 mark or 2 marks? Whatever marks is there, that is final. Marks cannot be changed.
But the question is wrong.
Again, you are saying the same thing you are doing now. I'm telling you what's wrong with you. You already got the marks, right? I'm not going to change the marks 1 or 1.5 or 2 or 2.5. Whatever marks is given by the teacher, that will be same for all students. Why you are worried?
So you give all the students this marks for?
Why should I give all students? Why?
What?
Let other student talk to me. Why should I give other student? This is according to you is wrong, but according to me is correct. Why you are worried? Why you are worried about this question? You already got the marks.
I don't know if you get this marks for this question or not. I ask you now.
That you already see the question or answer there or not? You are not able to see the quiz on the blackboard?
No, I can't. Yes, I can.
Why not?
No,
I can't. On the blackboard.
I can't.
Let me check now. I already told you yesterday, and even I wrote on the WhatsApp, but you still continue your talking. Even I have written and I have gave the picture on the WhatsApp. That question is correct.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't show the group for.
Let me check now. Quiz. What is your ID?
536.
536. Quiz. How much you got? How much marks you got it? Which question number? 536. Hello, I'm talking to you now. Hello? Are you able to listen to me or not? Hello?
Doctor, I think he left the classroom.
He left because he's just again creating problem to me. And now I opened the blackboard and now he left. And he did not tell me what question he is talking about.